I I'll call you Pretz today,
Yes, sir.
specially,
Yes, sir.
um, because it is always with love. People make a single syllable type instead of Pratima. It's three parts of it. Take single pattern, you reach closer to you, and of course we know each other for many years.
Family.
We
Yeah.
like family ties are there, and we talk very often. We meet very often. But today, this podcast I'm doing so that the world knows Pratima behind the scene. Let us, for some time, keep politics, activism, social work aside. Can you brief me about your life story? Like on your own, like your own Swataji biography, Koshi, right from your birth till date.
First and foremost, thanks a lot, Sir Anthony, for having me here for this interview. And of course, I would like to say thanks to Joe Cons for the beautiful courtesy. Well, sir, you just called me Pretz. Yes, Pretz is the pet name which only my loved ones who are near to me say that, and it feels close. So I felt very touched today, bonded sort of when you said that. Thanks. Well, about me, in brief, if you ask me, well, आम्ही तिघांनी चोल्यो. Okay, I don't have a brother. Born to John Francisco Mendonça, who's the ex-headmaster. Mother, of course, Elizabeth Alca Mendonça. And we have three sisters. One is in Dubai, the younger one. The elder one is there, Natalia. She's got a boutique. And we are three. Among three, आम्ही तिघाही चोल्यो. We have done a Prathamik Shala, means schooling, primary.
Primary.
Yeah, that is in Presentation Convent High School. And for some time, 9th and 10th, I was in St. Rita's also. That's Maina because my father was teaching there. I graduated through Damodar College, आमचे Commerce College आपली Comba,
Margaon.
की Damodar College. I did my masters from Goa University, and of course, even I did my LLB. That's law. Law शिकला उपे आदोगासी. ते आमचे हांगा सोडसून Goa University, Tare Law College. So this is my background when it comes to my education part. Now, secondly, if you ask me about family, I would like to say that when I was studying law, that is when I was just early 22, I happened to meet Savio Putino, who's my husband.
Where
And
did you meet him?
I didn't meet him in Goa. It's not about Goa. He was the chairperson, and I was pretty young. I was studying. I was an NCC cadet in Damodar College, Navy cadet. We had to go to Chogles, and it was somewhere 15th August when he was the Margaon chairperson of Margaon municipality, and he was been called as the chief guest. आणि आमकां परेड आणि जाल्यार मात्ता रावता आमी चीफ गेस्ट केन्ना येतलो काय म्हूण चीफ गेस्ट आयलो बरो हाफ एन आवर लेट आणि आमी वतांत आसलीं and I was grumbling as I was a tomboy. Who is this? Where is that chief guest? When is supposed to come? Yes. Yes. Black coffee, right? Without sugar. Finally, somebody comes with the ambassador, white color ambassador. पावस पडटालो बारीक सोत्री घेवन पिवन हा आनी हांव सोदतां अरे चीफ गेस्ट हुई हा कित्याक सावी आसलो धाकलो असो I think he was just 28 when he became the Margaon chairperson. That was when I met him there, sir. The next was when I was doing my second year BCom, Commerce and and I had joined Youth Congress, no? So Youth Congress joined Keletenna. There was one big convention happening outside Goa that I think, and I happened to meet him there. He was there with Ravi Falero, Girish Chodankar, Elton, and Siddhanand Buyao. आणि आम्ही चोल्यो दुसऱ्या ग्रुपान असली.
Who Elton?
Elton आता
The one present.
present. He was also
MLA.
Youth Congress. No, we were all connected with each other for Youth Congress. And the team. So we happened to meet there. And that's how I happened to meet Savio. And then the story follows.
तुवें आमकां तुजे फॅमिली म्हणल्यार भुरग्यांचे about their education, because I heard a lot about your children. Your both children are very well educated also. Can you just give me a brief about your children?
Okay, okay. When I was doing I told you, second year of law, it was God's blessings. And as I always say, I'm against that abortion thing. So one एक gift केले, and I was 22, and by the time I was 23, Pratham was born. Soon, no, Pratham Prathamik Shala. He studied in Loyola High School. He was a Red House captain. Then Damodar Science, he was the GS, Science College in Pomba again. And then he completed his MBBS through DYP. And today he's already doing his internship, MBBS doctor. He's Pratham Sean Putino. And of course,
Dr. Pratham Sean
Dr.
Putin.
Pratham Sean Putino, yes. But for me, he'll always be my
Yeah.
Bunu, as I call him, his pet name. And second is Shasha, who was born after 5 years. Shasha also has studied. Her schooling has been, she's passed 10th through Fatima Convent High School, that's in Margao. Same 11 and 12, she followed her brother. She was in Damodar High Secondary Science. And now, today, she's at Kelly's. She also chose to go in the medical line. She also wants to become a doctor. She wants to become a therapist, physiotherapist. So they're both there. So now I am only at home doing my work outside, and then coming home, I've got my Sky, who's an absurd dog. You have seen him, you have met him, my Sky, and my Persian pussycat, that's Smokey. So these are my children right now at
Good.
home.
Okay, good. That's a part of your family life, in a private life. आता तू outside your house म्हणल्यार it is the world around you. There is no doubt आणि कोणाच्या nobody can deny that without Pratima, Goa is not alive today, especially South Goa. South Goa, among activism now about certain injustice being done, you are always being heard of. I think there will be literally very few people who might have not seen you on the screens at least. So all this work that you are putting in, how do you manage the time?
See, where there is a will, there's a way. And I go by that saying. Why say where there's a will, there's a way? Because makat koda, makat dista, makati. I have kapostadha. I push myself to do things. I put, see, when it came to kids, what you say, I am already a mother of two grown-up kids. Okay. But then I knew how to put my things in place. Like, give quality times to your children. Give quality time because it's your duty since you are a parent. Secondly, Goran kite korpak jai, daily chores, that also time. But at the same time, my heart only one thing is that I had to sacrifice my career. Career in the I have studied, I've achieved it. The degree what I got of law graduate. If I would have been practicing, I think I would have been minting money today. The education what I got, especially in the crime field, the CRPC. But there was a call. I think it's a call to serve people, and I'm one person who cannot see somebody facing injustice or कोणाचे काम जायना ओ आता तुम्ही पळयला आसतले वयता थिंगा इन्फ्लुएन्स जाय पडटा ओ पयशे ब्रायब दिवपाक पडटा जाल्यार गरिबांची कामां जायना सो खंय तरी कोड सो आय डोंट गेट आय फील स्लीपलेस आय गेट रेस्टलेस if I know I have to go, somebody has given me a call. So that is the reason I can go anywhere from Kankon to Ponda to Bicholi, anywhere. I think it's a call, blessed by Jesus.
बट आता जायत्या जाणांचे एक क्रिटिसिझम असता पॉझिटिव्ह जावं नेगेटिव्ह and I have been hearing a lot of people because a lot of people know that I am very close to you also and your family.
Yeah.
So थोडे जाण they are really openly they are asking अरे ते एक्टिव्हिस्ट जावन तेगे तो फकत टीव्हीचेर आसता मोबायलांचेर आसता जाल्यार in reality has there been any justice done actually? You have taken up the issues, but have they reached the banks of the river Mundativashi? So, can you cite at least 2 or 3 incidents where you have taken up the issue and something fruitful has come out of that?
Okay, well, before going to that topic, you said something like criticism. There are
Yeah, I said
criticism,
positive or negative?
criticism. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Criticism म्हणल्यार एक मोन्य हा. And you were there in Bombay, you was a teacher, right? And you are well versed in Marathi. There's a saying in Marathi, निंदकाचे घर असावे शेजारी. Means what the person who criticizes should be there next to your door, because it's them. Because of them, you get pushed and you can do better. Now, who criticizes? Who knows that you are on number 10 and he's not even number 1? So I term myself as not praising, but I'm being honest. म्हाका दिसता म्हजो लेवल आतां म्हणल्यार हांव आसतलें भुरगें. I may be in 40s, but my experience of work has been more than 30 years in social life. And Pratima is not yesterday's kids who just come and pe ulayla and gele. If you go to see that, some people, you said people can they say that I can be seen on YouTube or media and all this. 30 years of my journey, 30 वर्सांचे हांवें काम केलें. जावं ते पणजे, मडगांव, म्हापसा, काणकोण, म्हाका कोणाक सांगपाची गरज ना. म्हजे उतराक कितें तरी म्हत्व आहा, तत्व आहा, कितें कोत्ता तें खरें
Come to
कोत्ता
the
म्हणून.
point.
So, no, that is the
Give me the
reason
three
I'm covered.
incidents.
I will give you the incident. So what I'm saying, people who talk and criticize, no, I care a hack.
Okay.
Because for me, integrity and credibility matters.
Very good.
And
Absolutely right.
integrity and credibility, and I feel that more than that, you should see who is talking. Because Amka family has given us good upbringing and values. ते दुकोर चिकलान नाचता म्हणून आम्ही फातर मारपा गेले आमचेर चिकोल घेवप ना. सो हाती चले अपने चाल कुत्ता बोके विराल. आता तुवें म्हणले तुवें आता इतले इश्यूज घेता. इश्यूज जायते आसात. तूं आता फकत म्हाका लिमिटेड 3 सांगू.
म्हाका तीनूच
बरें
सांग.
3 म्हणल्यार I
So
will
let
not
the
go.
people of Goa know
So
that there are outcomes.
I actually I don't have to tell you this. If you go on the YouTube, you'll just get taka 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 taka. But okay, fine. Now I'll tell you. When I take up some matter, it is not only to drive attention or to come and talk and go and just leave the matter. I see that it comes to a good conclusion. Now, हांव 2-3 म्हयन्याचे खबर सांगना. चल ह्याच म्हयन्याक केल्ले 2 म्हयन्याची खबर सांगता तुका. चल तुवें ते केपें खबर आहा तुका. I had to go in the evening where I had to come home at 11. A minor girl of 17. She's been getting raped from the age of 12. Her own brother used to rape her.
Okay, those three.
So 3 sisters,
sisters.
That issue which took place in Kepe, Gaonkar, कळ्ळें तुका न्ही? So भाऊच कोत्तालो. That girl came to me. She said, I never got help. My mother was not ready to help me. My sisters were not ready to come to the police station. I didn't have any person who could say, come, I'm going to help you. On the contrary, they told me it's social stigma. Always घरा कोणी हे जाता, घाण जातली, भाऊ बहिणीचे रिलेशन पिड्यार जातले. But what I felt that was ते घुसपट्टालें. She was dying. Every day she was dying, getting raped. I said, come on. I gave her the confidence. I said, if you are going to tell in front of the NGO and give a statement, then I'll see that I'll give you justice. Sir, कितें जालें? 25 पुलिसांक घातले. Melson Kulasu is the PI. That day he was in charge of the cafe because Arun Bab had gone on a leave. He promised me, he made it a point, असल्या टायमार पुलीस धाडले. बोवाड केलो जालें. Early morning म्हाका message आयली PI ची. Your work is done. That brother, he's already been arrested. And he is now, I think, not mistaken, in Kolwale jail. So I feel this is what Pratima does. Pratima just doesn't come and just talk ba 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 ba
Okay,
ba and
that
goes.
is one incident.
Second, sir, तुका खबर आहा ते वास्को आता पळय ही एक जाली केप्याची. आता वास्को खबर आहा लास्ट मंथ ते चोली एकलो फास्ट ड्राइव करून येयलो. फास्ट ड्राइव केले आनी ते चोले ऑन द स्पॉट ते सुण्याकूय मारले आनी ते रानीय मेले.
Later on, she died in the hospital.
She died. She was battling. She was finished. Full joy, dislocation, ribs, body full smashed. We were told that she will not survive. And the thing was, the investigation officer had done all gotala in that matter. All gotala. And then we came to know that Soglet's Halweli case, CCTV was showing something else. So because of influence, this was the thing. I went, Rajnath Singh had come that day, defense minister. रातचे 9 हांव 150-200 लोकांक घेवन गेलें. हांव म्हणलें जस्टीस ताज्या एटलीस्ट तेका ते शी इज बॅटलिंग विथ अ लायफ, बट एटलीस्ट there should be something called justice for the family. I took the people, I went there, I made it a point wherein the, I think if I'm not mistaken, is DISP or SP Bab Kadam from Vasco there, then the PI there, they called me and they promised me that we are changing the investigation officer tomorrow itself.
That one famous investigating officer who was sitting like this.
Exactly, who didn't have, something, sir? Tesle कोत्तात पळय तेंकाच मला पयर तेका मेडल दिली मरे गव्हर्नमेंटान सरकारान गोल्ड हे अवॉर्ड दिला. तो जाग्याचो सुरप 25 वर्सां त्या पुलीस स्टेशन आहा. कित्याक तो he does this chamchagiri, collecting funds and giving. He's the only one, sir, for 25 years. Sorry for my, he's become a dalal because असले कामां कोत्ता आनी तेका वयल्यान अवॉर्ड दिला आनी कितें मेडल दिला. म्हाका दिसता, if I'm not mistaken, presidential medal, what? So he's been honored, Sorak. But one thing, he has told to me, he was been replaced. He didn't have courtesy to talk to us females. पान घेवन तो कोत्तालो. पूण complaint केल्यार complaint दिली सगळी बरोवन. Within 24 hours, he was being changed and the investigation is going on. And in this 10 days time also, we are following it. It's going in a right way.
So that Naveli incident was what happened?
Naveli also,
Your hometown incident.
My Naveli, I'll tell you, शिंकेचो भुरगो कळ्ळें तुका आणि आमचो वो माणपांतलो एकलो पेंटर गरीब सारको पेंटिंग कोण पोट भरतालो ल्हान ल्हान भुरगीं आहात तेका हे सिंकेडीच्या भुरग्यान हायफाय भुरगो तो हाडली आनी मारली तेजेर गाडी तेजी एक्टिवा तो हेल्मेट घातलो स्मॅश डावन तो ऑन द स्पॉट मेलो तो but the case was not going forward because of some influential people involved and त्यांचे family बापड्यान till 4 o'clock they were made to sit and this fellow was not taken for medical and nothing. I was in Vasco, they happened to call me. The minute I reached, he was taken for investigation and FIR was, they were telling us that FIR will be done. But the family, जी बापडी ती विडो बायल ती रडटाली तेजी भुरगीं तेजी माय पाय ते सगळी फॅमिली घेवन हांव पुलीस स्टेशनात बसलें आणि बाप डायगो आसलोलो त्या दिसा कुंकोलीचो PI he was in charge because Tulsidas was on leave or purposely he was not there, I don't know, but Daigo was there and I made it a point Daigoचे तकलेर बसून FIR करून now the matter is on. Now we have also gone and followed the matter that investigation चालू हा आणि why the boy who killed him, it is a killing only, extent from Nela also. Why he is in London? Why he is in London? He should be here. He's not gone. He's gone on a visa. Father's here. So he should be bought moon. So that is also going on. So when I do, I follow up matters. I don't simply come and take up the issues. What happens? तुका कितें हेल्प जाय हांव येता पुलीस स्टेशनार उलयता media comes, takes the bite and go. But my follow up जाला ना ते लोकांक खबर नासता न्ही म्हूण आयज म्हाका सांगपाक पडलें out of 100, 97 to 96 cases what I've taken, no personal, I have got that results, I've got that achievement, go to any police station. And yes, whatever said and done, there's a lot of respect given to me by the police and media because
me interject there. Media, there is also a lot of prime talks going on many times. Pratima is very camera friendly, media friendly, or you can use the word to be very harsh. That you are very how to put it, that media attention.
Okay.
Or is it the media who gives you that stage, or you go after the media?
आता हे जो म्हणटात पळय कॉमेंट मारतात पळय त्यांचे पयलो बॅकग्राऊंड पळय whether they have ever come on the streets and done anything or fought for the people or sacrificed like our careers or our profession or घाम काढून आमचे पेट्रोल घालून आमची च्या पिवन वाय टेल लायज ते पळय ते चलयेक देखून मायनराक ते रेप केला म्हणून सांगता तेका बाबड्या तेज्या बोल्सान 2 रुपया नासले तेका कॅबे वयल्यान पयले चायेक बसयला तेका खावपाक पिवपाक दिला हांवें म्हणजे PN ज्वेलान सो म्हणून आतां ते कोण म्हणटात पळय तांकां विचार तेणी तेंचो रिझल्ट हें घे तेणी बाबा तुम्ही कितें चार्ट काढून घे तुम्ही केन्ना काम केलां सोशल वर्क केला लोकांची मदत केल्या केन्ना कोणाक पावल्यात ना हे उलयतात पळय तांकां उलोवन दी यू कॅन आस्क द media and I associated because of my long service right from youth congress day. Media says Pratima we have seen you on the grassrootaचे leader तू कोणाचे मिनिस्टराचे मंत्र्याचे चोली न्ही ओ तू कोणी मंत्र्याची ओ MLA ची बायल न्ही ओ तुका कोण गॉडफादर ना. So that is the thing. My thing is what we don't pay the media or we don't sponsor the media lunch or dinners to take a press or bites. Media come and follow you when you are doing something good. आता तुझे कितले पाटी बायट्स येतात पयले तुझे हेका लागून येयले आमच्या माद्र्यांनी हे केलें तेन्ना एट्रोसिटीज ऑन नन्स एंड ऑल तुजो बायट म्हजो बायट कित्याक माय media comes. Do you call the media? No. It is because of the work. You are recognized when you do something. तू जेन्ना समाजा लागून कितें कोत्ता तेन्ना मिडिया येता मिडियाक दिसता तू क्रेडिबल आसा तुज्यात कितें तरी कापस्ताद आसा तेन्ना मिडिया येता तुका कवर कोत्ता पूण दीस पीपल लायक जेलसी आसता पळय तांकां वखद कांय ना देर इज नो मेडिसीन फॉर जेलसी सो जस्ट लीव देम एंड एज आय फील द ब्लेसिंग इम्पॉर्टंट चोकून कळ्ळें तुका म्हाका जाल्यार टच येयल्लो आहा जिजसाचो सो आय टेंड टू इग्नोर people who are jealous and who criticize and all. You know
Yeah,
it.
that's okay, but then at the same time, I can also, as friends, not only on the podcast, as an unknown person, सगळ्या लोकांकूय सांगता ह्या पॉडकास्टांतल्यान कोणूय गोंयांत कसलोय वावर कोत्ता आपलो टायम घालता आपल्या 2 पयशे बोडसांतले मोडटा आनी इफ दे आर गिवींग दॅट टायम इन्स्टेड ऑफ क्रिटिसायझींग you people should come on the roads. जायते फावटी जाता आमकांय दुखता. We are also humans.
Yeah.
We are also humans. People need appreciation. Even for the 2 hours that she gives on the roads, the media bite घेऊ ना कोणा बरोबर बसून असो, but she's giving a precious time. While the activists in Goa, they are स्लॉगिंग द डेज हे थोडे क्रिटिसाइज करतात तेच मनीस ते आपापल्या बेडरूमार रावन आपली जोड जोडटात. दे हॅव देअर ओन हाऊसेस इन ग्लास हाऊसेस.
Yeah.
सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ दॅट
Yes.
जर तर गोंय फुडें वतलो जाल्यार आय थिंक पीपल इन्स्टेड ऑफ जस्ट सिम्पली क्रिटिसायझिंग
तू कितले काम करता, तू हिंगासून थिंगा धांवता. You know, you have lost your wife, your kids are, your daughter is an architect, she's married, then you have a son who's a captain. You are all
He's
alone
not
at
a
home.
captain, he's a chief officer.
Whatever, chief officer, but he's having a contracting position there on the ship.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm trying to say. I may not be like,
It's
but
okay.
about you, तू एकलो मनीस, तू केहो धांवता, केसो सांबाळटा, कितें करता. But I have also seen how many people come on the media and try to bark and try to tarnish your image, try to put, but anything happens? No. People who really know you and respect you know you, and people and their character and their upbringing, people know. So enka म्हणटा तेनी, you have to leave them. Just leave them.
ओके. सो इट इज माय हंबल रिक्वेस्ट आमच्या सगळ्या गोंयकारांक गोंयच्या पासत कोणूय एक्टिविस्ट जर तर वावरता त्याचो समटायम कडे रिझल्ट येयना आसतलो फूल रिझल्ट. मे बी 10% or 50% or 80% रिझल्ट येता. सगळे पावटी एक्टिविस्ट काम करता म्हणून रिझल्ट येयना. सो एक रिक्वेस्ट आसा, एनकरेज द पीपल बिकॉज दे गिव्ह देअर टायम, प्रेशियस टायम, रिस्किंग देअर लाईफ. ताका लागून आता एक लास्ट प्रश्न आसा प्रतिमाबाई.
Political.
पॉलिटिकल इतले तू काम करता नावेल्यान पासून समटायम पीपल मे क्वेश्चन तू हिंगा आहले थिंगा नाहले, थिंगा आहले हिंगा नाहले. तू हूंय पावोंक ना ते विचारतात पूण पावला ते कोण विचारनात. बट एट द सेम टायम हांव म्हणटा इज ऑल सो मच वर्क दॅट यू डू एज वन वुमन. यू आर द क्वीन ऑफ साऊथ गोवा. आय विल नॉट कॉल यू एज अ आयर्न लेडी अँड ऑल बिकॉज definitely I reserve that statement for only Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Okay, now you tell me, तू इतले कोत्ता असताना will this work? Because you also have a political inclination. You also wish to contest election. You also want to be in the assembly. Do you think these things will get converted to votes?
Let me tell you one thing. Deep breathing घेऊन सांगता.
No.
That
Whether people will come when you give them a call.
I feel that the thing what was missing earlier is no more the same way. Earlier, people knew me through newspapers, Herald, The Goan, Tarun Bharat, Lokmat. But connection was missing. Now, no, sir, I've seen that I am become grounded and very, very connected. Now you go to my own constituency in Navili. 5 वर्सां पयलें विचार आनी तिका व्हरतालीं प्रतिमा. आतां they are connected to me. That acceptance is come. And when I come to know acceptance म्हणल्यार आयज MLA आसा, आयज इतले मंत्री आसात, पूण म्हज्या दारांत न्ही लोक येतात. आनी चड बरें दिसता केन्ना आमचे नावेलीकार, नावेलीच्यो बायल्यो, यूथ, कितें आसले वो सिनियर सिटीजन येतात आनी म्हणटात बाय तुका बेसा हो आमचे ह्या पाटी आमकां तूं जाय, तुका निवडून हाडूंक जाय, तुका एक चान्स दिवंक जाय. That is one thing. And as I am become local now, local and vocal for the people, and especially for my Navili. So yes, of course. And why I want? देवान दिल्ले आमचे कडेन घर, घाट, बेसां आसात. No craze for money and not. But the thing is, sir, my wish is that Navili needs something like police station. पुलीस स्टेशन आमचे नावली ना. जायते आमदार येवन गेले, ते मंत्री जाले, ते चीफ मिनिस्टर जाले, पूण आमकां कितें रातीचो प्रॉब्लम जालो, कितें डिफिकल्टी जाली, झगडी जाली, आमकां पुलीस स्टेशन ना सर. बायलांक न्ही चेडवांक न्ही आमकां मडगांव
No,
वचूंक
but
पडटा.
don't you think, let you interject. तू नावेले पुलीस स्टेशन मागता, मडगांव आहा, फाल्यां चिंचोणकार म्हणटले चिंचोणे पुलीस स्टेशन दी, मागीर कावेलोसी पुलीस स्टेशन दी, कोलवा दी,
Why?
बाणावले दी.
If Kurtori has
So-
got, if Kunkoli has got, if these people have got, Vasco has got, why
No,
not?
the distance is there, no? आता नावेली and Margao, the
ना,
distance
म्हाका
is
जाय
not-
सेफ्टी फॉर वुमन. या बिकॉज लेट नायट फायट जाले, कितें इश्यूज जाले, एक्सिडंट जालो, रातचे 3 4 सगळे कडेन मोटरां नात, मडगांव वचपाक जाय, ती केस बरोवप, तें सोड. मागीर वी वॉन्ट अ मार्केट. आमच्या नावेली पयला तुवें, आमच्यो बायल्यो, आमच्यो कुणबी बायल्यो आहात त्यो, OBC ST बायल्यो पीक रोयतात, तांबडी भाजी, धवी भाजी, सोत्र्यो लावन बाजारांत बसतात, तांकां बसपाक सुवात ना. एक बरें डेव्हलप मार्केट जाय. वी वॉन्ट अ नायस decent market for those आमचे local बायलांक न्ही. It's missing there. Even the primary health center, we have things there. We have the doctors, but 24-hour service. We need something like ICU, heart येयलो, ताका व्हर थिंगा, मडगांव ना थिंगा, delivery करूंक. Certain things are there in my mind. And most important is I want to be the voice of Navilkars in the assembly.
Yeah, I agree to all this, but हांव जायते फावटी पॉलिटिकल सर्कलांनी हांव आसताच. I have, by God's grace, connectivity with literally all the different parties also.
Yeah.
But what I hear, people went out saying that, अरे ते प्रतिमा कितलें काम करूं. People make use of her. Use and throw म्हणटाय ते भाशेन. So हे फावटी घोडना जावपाक what precaution will you take? Because the last time, the difference of margin, in spite of so many people contesting, the difference of almost 2,500.
Exactly.
Yeah. So difference was almost 2,500. So that gap, how will you think of reducing and then going over it?
Yeah, this time it's gonna be systematic. This time नाविलकारान देखून चिंतोंक जाय की लास्ट टाइम कितें जालें तुमी पळयलां 9-10 जाणां बसलीं आनी भाजी जाली. The person who have not even dreamt of becoming an MLA became MLA because of the nine of us contesting, and there was a division of votes. Now it's very simple. सोपें आसा नाविलकारांक. I may be one of the contender, but I would like to say इतलें सोपें आहा. तुमी चिंतात आयज जिखला तो कितें काम करता आनी 9 जाणां बसलोलीं आमी 9 जाणां मदें 2,000, 2,500, 3,000 पडले आनी डिवायड जालीं पळय. तितूंत टील टुडे इलेक्शन जावन नेक्स्ट डे टील टुडे आयज कितले तुमचे ते 9 कॅन्डिडेट्सा मदें कोण एक्टीव आसा, कोण तुमचे मुद्दे घेवन पुलीस स्टेशनार वयता, कोण तुमकां जेन्ना गरज आसा तेन्ना हॉस्पिटलांनी येता, तुमचो आवाज उबारता, तुमच्या एक उल्याचेर तुमच्या बरा रस्त्यार येतात, जावं ते पावसान गिमात. सो 9 जाणां ते 9 पार्टीजांतली तुमी चिंतात कोण खंयचो कॅन्डिडेट येता तो. बिकॉज इट्स व्हेरी इजी सर टू कम एट द लास्ट मिनिट. आय हॅव सीन वन थिंग एंड आय एम शुअर, प्रिटी शुअर, दिस टायम दॅट मिस्टेक वील नॉट हॅपन. बिकॉज खंय तरी नाविलकारांक जाता. हांव वयता तेन्ना म्हाका लोक म्हणटात की नाविलकारांक लज जाली न्ही, बीजेपी आयलें तेन्ना लायफान चिंतूच आसलें न्ही बीजेपी आयलें. पूण तेंची मिस्टेक ना, लोकांची मिस्टेक ना. इतली जाण पार्टी आशिल्ल्यो आनी ते खतखते जाले. बट आय फील दिस टायम दे हॅव टू सी based on candidate. See the candidate. Parties will come and go. Of course, parties will come and go. Parties is, we need party because of the symbol. But तितूंतल्यान एक पळयात, मुनीस कोण, कितें काम कोत्तलो, आमचे फाटल्यान रावतलो, कितें कोत्तलो, इशू बेस घेतलो, आमचे मुद्दे घेवन खंय पावतलो, आमकां फाल्यां बाप म्हणल्यार पावतलो तें पळोवपाक जाय. न्ही इलेक्शन जालें घरा कडेन न्हिदलीं आनी मागीर इलेक्शन जात्री येतली, म्हजे दाडा कडेन पयशे आहात, म्हज्या घोवा कडेन पयशे आहात, म्हज्या पार्टी कडेन पयशे आहात, आनी तेका लागून वन शूड नॉट गेट कॅरीड अवे. बिकॉज एक सांगता की बिरयानी which cost 100 rupees, that 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees what is given, that is not the price that you all should be paying. This price is nothing. Overnight or 24 hours भितर खाऊन खबर जाता, पूण 5 वर्सां तुमचे रगत पिट्टात आनी तुमकां मागीर सांगतात की आमी तांकां पयशे दिल्ले, आमच्यान आनी काम करूंक जाय.
Okay, so now let me capsule the whole thing.
Yeah.
First part, family wise. My salute to you for having such wonderful 2 children of yours.
That's blessing.
It's one of the most important things from my point of view, my life. I also believe only in 2 major things. One, health, second is education. Even माझ्या local MLA, Cruz Silva, हांव सदांच म्हणटा, you stick to these 2 things and you will not have to look back. In that terms, in the field of education, we really have done well, because as a parent, I know in spite of your time, schedules and all, तू personally, तू आणि सावयो personally वयता ताका even पावोवपाक out of the state. You'll stay with them, you'll come, you'll give that quality time. एक फावटी आम्ही पासून फोन केल्यार तू म्हणटा, sir, I am talking to my children. Okay, so that's wonderful. And second, what Pratiman पळय म्हणला ते कॅप्सूल करतलो politically. Naveli, the mistake was not only of the number of people contesting. Probably the mistake from horse's mouth, Pratiman length, it was not only the mistake that arts and contest element. It is we who should have decided 1 or 2 particular candidate whom we should have zeroed down. So मैं तो हुंचे पार्टीचा जाऊं. So Pratima is very much focused this time to contest election, and then people should decide. Need not be based only on the party symbol, but जो मनीस तुमच्या मध्ये रावन येयला, गेले 5 वर्सां, who has worked, who has raised their voices for Goa, and that type of person has to be looked into at least once. ते 9 जाण बसो ना 15 जाण बसो.
People should do only one thing. People should only ask, जेन्ना 5 वर्सांनी इलेक्शन येता तशें गोवा गोंय आनी गोंयकारांक कोण लागून हांव सांगूंक सोदतां, तुमी तेंचे कडेन इतलेंच विचारात, तुमी 5 वर्सांनी येयले आनी बरें, नायस टू सी ऑल, बट प्लीज शो अस युअर रिपोर्ट कार्ड म्हणून. तुमी भुरग्यांक स्कुलाक धाडटा तेन्ना तुमी कित्याक धाडटात? एक्झाम जावन कितें स्टडी करून कितें मार्क्स घेतल्या, रिपोर्ट कार्ड म्हणून आसता. सो ते रिपोर्ट कार्ड इन 5 years तुमी कितें केल्यात आमचे लोकांक लागून, आमच्या गोंयकारांक लागून, आमच्या आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीक लागून ते विचारात. आनी ऑटोमॅटिकली तुमकां गोमोन येतलें बाबा 5 वर्सां मनशान कितें केलां आनी तेजेर तुमी तेका रिजल्ट फावो करात.
Okay, that's good. On a final note, so what I gather from Pratima is, हे सेंटा क्लॉज वर्साक एक फावटी क्रिसमसाच्या टायमार येता, कसले सेंटा क्लॉजांक वोट करून नाकात, बिकॉज क्रिसमस जाले म्हणटच ते सेंटा क्लॉजूय वयतात. सो दॅट शुड नॉट हॅपन.
And
थँक यू व्हेरी मच प्रतिमा
it was my
बाय.
pleasure.
इट वॉज नाईस टॉकिंग टू यू फ्रीली. सारको काळजान सान उलयलो
It was a nice interview.
देखून.
I also spoke my heart out. I
Oh,
was
good.
just my threats. I was just threats today.
Good. See, I also don't look only winnability as the only criteria. कामूय करूंक जाय न्हू. विनेबिलिटी म्हणून आमी पयलां कितें
ते
जालें.
लोकांनी पळोवंक जाय,
होय.
लोकांनी
So-
चिंतूंक जाय आनी ह्या फावटी
So
म्हाका
this is a
दिसता.
message for especially Navelkars and all the Goinkars.
And my last message to all the Goans, Falia Chowth, on behalf of me, Advocate Pratima Betsy Coutinho and Sir Anthony Silva, my host here, हांव सगळे गोंयकारांक न्ही, चड करून आमच्या हिंदू भाव भयण्यांक न्ही, बरी चवथ बरी साजरो करात. गणपती बाप्पा तुमकां बरें आरोग्य दिवं, बरी बुद्ध दिवं, आरोग्य आनी तुमच्या घरात भरभराट 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 जावं म्हूण हांव मागतां. एन्जॉय गणेश एंड डू कीप अस इन युअर प्रेयर्स. देव बरें करूं. हॅपी
Cheers.
गणेश. Cheers. Cheers.